So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you about operational amplifier as voltage to current converter and current to voltage converter. So here is the apparatus for doing this experiment. Here you can see this is the circuit diagram for voltage to current converter and this is the circuit diagram for the current to voltage converter. So in these two experiments, within this apparatus we can perform these two experiments. So operational amplifier which we can use to convert voltage into current. Voltage to current converter produces output current that depends only on the input voltage. That's why the name. Whatever the output current is there, that is going to depend upon input voltage. That's why it is called voltage to current converter. And in this experiment, voltage to current converter, the input impedance and output impedance both are going to be high. Here is the aim of the experiment. Basic operational amplifier has circuit diagram has been designed to verify the operational amplifier as voltage to current converter. So the formula to calculate the current, output current, here is equal to input voltage by resistance. Diagram, and once we plot the graph of current versus voltage, the nature of graph must be straight line. So let us do the this is the tabular column for voltage to current converter. So let us first make the circuit connection for voltage to current converter. So here you can see in this experiment IC 741 has been used, operational amplifier, and here this is the positive terminal and negative terminal. We have to connect to the voltage, positive terminal, voltmeter, positive and negative terminal, which acts as input voltage. So first connect positive to the positive of the voltmeter and negative to the negative of the voltmeter. So we have made this connection. Next we have to connect negative of the ammeter to the negative terminal of the ammeter. This acts as output current. So here input is voltage, output should be current. So this we have connected. Next you should switch on the device and here you should vary the voltage, because input is here voltage. As you increase the voltage, there is an increase in current. Okay. So once you start taking reading, note down the voltage corresponding current. So here you can see in this tabular column, increase the voltage of the order of 1 to 10 volt, and then corresponding current you should note down. So once you plot the graph, it must be a straight line. So we can say that we have verified the voltage to current converter. And one more thing, here whatever the input voltage is there, it is 0 to 15 volt, and whatever the current you are going to measure here is in terms of milliampere, 0 to 15 milliampere. So let us do the circuit connection for current to voltage converter. So here in this experiment, aim is the basic operational amplifier circuit has been designed to verify the operational amplifier as current to voltage converter, and in this current to voltage converter, current has been used as an input current, and whatever the output we are going to have, that is the output voltage with respect to the resistance. And here in this current to voltage converter, input impedance is low and also output impedance is low. And here is the formula to calculate the output voltage, that is equal to resistance into input current. So here is the circuit diagram for this experiment, and this is the nature of graph. It is also straight line. So this is the tabular column for current to voltage converter. We should apply the current in as input and note down the corresponding voltage. So let us make the connection. So in this circuit diagram for current to voltage converter, we have one more terminal, that is ground. So we should make the common connection to the emitter for ground as well as input. So like this we have to connect, and here we should connect it to the input. Okay, so this is for the emitter. Positive must be connected to the emitter, and then negative must be connected to the negative terminal of the emitter, which is acts as input here, and output is voltage we have to measure. So positive terminal to the positive terminal of the voltmeter and negative terminal to the negative terminal of the voltmeter. So this is the connection for current to voltage converter. Switch on the device, and here this is little bit loose connection. So here you have to vary current, not voltage, because input is current. So you should vary the current, and then you should note down the voltage, corresponding voltage. So here is the tabular column. So as you increase the current in milliampere, you should note down the voltage in terms of volt. It is also gradually increasing. Once you plot the graph, it is a straight line. So from this we can say that verified the experimental for the current to voltage converter.